Hey, Miss Sawyers, this is a video to show you how you can submit a ticket. So you want to go to the hub. When you go to the hub on the main page, you'll see submit a ticket for support. Click on submit a ticket for support and your screen should look like this. You want to click on I want to request a service. And then after that, you scroll down to the bottom where it says technology infrastructure. Let's go ahead and click there. And then you want new Outlook mailbox. And then you want to request a new Outlook mailbox. And that's going to be for your volunteers that are helping you with that class. So once you click on it, it's going to describe, you have to type in here what it is you need from them. Is it preventing you from doing your work, and does it affect multiple users? Put in your contact information, and then you can submit. If you need to attach anything, you can attach it. And then once you submit, you'll be good to go. And they should reach out to you shortly. What I would do is I would also take a screen capture of this and forward it to Principal Elamine so that he can follow up on his end as well.